Transform your photos from bland to breathtaking with the timeless beauty of black and white, right here in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. This tutorial works with any photo, but portraits, landscapes, and images with strong contrast tend to shine. Duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl+J or CMD-J on a Mac to non-destructively edit your photo. Next, go up to the Image tab, then navigate to Adjustments, and select Black and White. This is the most direct path. A black and white adjustment panel will appear. Photoshop gives you a great starting point. You will notice sliders to adjust different color channels like reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas. These sliders can be used to individually adjust the tones of your black and white photo. Pay attention to how your colors interact using the sliders. Fine-tune the shadows, midtones, and highlights to achieve your desired effect. For example, pushing the slider of the color red will affect the tones of red objects present in your photo experiment. Once you have finished making adjustments, you can click OK. Use other editing tools such as contrast, exposure, and clarity adjustments to tweak the image further, adding layers of depth. The side-by-side image will show you the striking transformation you've achieved. Remember to like and subscribe for more photo editing tutorials, and don't hesitate to share your stunning black and white creations in the comments below. Happy editing!